CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I want to tell you about our balance shaft delete kit for the Mazdaspeed 3, 6, and CX-7. In the balance shaft delete kit, we provide you with a 304 stainless steel baffle, block-off plate, and block-off plug to remove this piece of metal from your engine. So what's the purpose of a balance shaft delete kit? So in your engine is a balance shaft assembly. What this does is reduces harmonic imbalances in the engine, so you have a smoother running engine, less vibrations in the cabin. Now if you're going for a big built engine, high horsepower, you want a quick revving setup, then an option is to remove this, as it removes parasitic losses from inside the engine. The other benefits of getting rid of the balance shaft assembly from the engine is a faster revving engine, more oil capacity, about a quart more that you can carry, and overall about 18 pounds removed from the engine and the vehicle in a whole. With that, you will experience more noise, vibration, and harshness through the engine and into the cabin of the vehicle.